Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Discord website series. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the command page. So the thing about the command page is we are not gonna hard code it, so we're gonna use JavaScript to automatically sync the commands with the website. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so just open your project and then we're first gonna write a function to get all the commands. So I'm just gonna create a folder called utils. Just enlarge this, and then I'm gonna name this index.js. Okay, so create it in utils. Okay, so first we're gonna require reducing require fs. Alright, and then function get commands. So you're just gonna write a simple function to get commands. Okay, let categories equals array, and then read it. And then we're gonna go to look over at our commands folder, and then for each directory we're gonna do something. Const write equal reader and then /commands $, and then dir, and then we're just gonna get the files that end with JS. So yeah, we're just gonna get the files that end with JS. Or that we're just gonna ignore, and then const value is an array. Okay, and then const commands equals directories dot map combine. So now we get for each file, and then const file equals require the dot slash, make sure it's template literals, dot slash commands slash, and then dir slash command. Okay, and then we're gonna do value dot push, and then we're gonna make an object. Okay, let me just put this here so it's a little better. Okay, value dot push, and then we're gonna push the name file dot name question mark, and then file dot name, and then or else we're just gonna say current, what should I say, no command name. Okay, and then next will be description, file the description, no description. So what I mean by file.name and file.description, let me just show you really quickly. Just go to one of the commands. Okay, as you can see here, this is the file.name is this. So later I'll be adding description to show you that the help command, how to use the help command. Okay, and then next we'll check for aliases. So first file.aliases, file.aliases, and then no aliases, and then lastly we're gonna do usage on how to use the command. File.usage, no usage. Okay, we're gonna push this object, and then we're gonna let data, you can use object. Let me just do this. Let data equals new object, and then data equals name is directory dot to uppercase. Okay, and then value. Why I can do value is because what I mean, if you do value, it's equal to value equals value. So I can just do value. It's the same thing. It's JavaScript syntax. And then lastly, we can do categories dot push value. Okay. I mean data. What am I even doing? Category dot push data. Okay, and then in the function, we're gonna return categories. Okay. All of this should be in. Let me see. Oh, I see. Okay. Take this return the categories and put it after the brackets because we're gonna return the value, and then lastly we're gonna do module.exports and then get commands. Okay, so you're gonna export this function. Let me just format the file. Okay. So after this, we're gonna go to the ready event. So just go to events. Let's close this. Okay, you can go to events and then go to ready. As usual, if you don't have an event handler, feel free to do it in the index.js. If you don't know how to set this up, make sure to watch the first video on how to set up the bot's website. Okay, so in today's video, to create this commands page, we're gonna use EJS. So let me just install EJS really quickly. npm I EJS. All you need to do is this, and then you can close it. Okay. First you're gonna require the function from you're gonna require the get commands function. So const equals require dot slash utils. Okay, so if your main file, if there is index.js, if you do utils, it automatically find for index.js, so you don't need to do slash utils slash index.js. So get commands, as you can see here, the function is already here. Okay, so let me just see if it's installed already. Okay, perfect, it's installed. Okay, so above app.get, right above everything, you're just gonna do app.set and then view engine and then EJS. Okay, we're gonna use EJS. Make sure it's above the app.get and app.listen. Okay, and then we're gonna create a new route, app.get and then commands, and then res, and then const commands equals get commands, and then res.status 200 dot render commands, and then we're gonna pass in commands. So we're gonna pass in this. Okay, so what I mean by render is a EJS thing. So by default it will go and search for the views folder. So let me just create a folder called views. Okay, and then it's gonna find for the commands.ejs. So let me just create a folder called commands.ejs. Okay, so now we can start coding the website. Doc type HTML, and then HTML and English. Okay, and head we're gonna do title, YouTube tutorials bot commands. You can name this is the title, like for new tab, it's gonna be here. So you make sure you don't make it too long. Okay, body A. Okay, we're gonna make a redirect for the image. So let me just go to my previous project. I'm just gonna copy the link for the image. Just copy this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make it so when I click the icon, it returns. It's gonna make me go back to the home page. Okay, so let me just cut this. Let me just make it a tag. Okay, and a href equals slash. Okay, and then we're gonna paste the image class. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, we got right section, and then the section class will be main content. Okay, and then slash p. We're gonna write a short description to get a loop of the command in Discord. Use then we can use the code tag. So just do code and then put y help or your help command, and then to view the commands. So just give it a description, anything you want. So let me show you what my code does after I finish styling. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the EJS. So the EJS syntax is the lower than, yeah, and then you do this. Okay, so if you do this, it doesn't render it. If you add an equal, it renders the stuff. So let me just show you an example. So let me just remove this and then do commands dot for each. What I mean by commands is over here. As you can see, your commands. Okay, so we're gonna for each command, and then we're gonna destructure it, name and value. Okay, and then we're gonna add the things, EJS syntax. Okay, and then in here also, I'm not used to type EJS. Okay, so in here we can start coding table. So table, we're gonna use tables for the command list, and then style, we're gonna make a width of 100%. Okay, and then h1, and then style, text align center, and then the thing will be name. So I'm gonna do lower than symbol, and then the greater than symbol, and then equals, and then name will be here, and then percentage, and then lower than symbol. Okay, perfect. And then now we're gonna do the table row, tr, and then th. So first will be command name. Let me just do command name, and let me just paste it several times. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna change this to usage. Change this to description, and change this to aliases. Anything will do, anything your preference. And then now we're gonna make a loop on the values. So the values that we pass in the get command function just now. So I'm gonna do value dot for each, and then we're gonna destructure again. We're gonna destructure name. Let me just show you. Where's the utils? Index.js. Okay. We're gonna destructure the name, description, aliases, and usage. Okay. So we can just do this name, and then description, aliases, and then usage. Okay, and then we're gonna add the EJS syntax again. Make sure there is no equals here. Okay, so now we can do the HTML stuff, tr, and then td. The first td will be name, so just do the EJS syntax again, but with an equal this time. Here will be name. Okay, and then we just can copy this 4 times. For the next one will be description. I mean, we can do usage. Yeah, we have to do usage, and then next one will be description, and then usage. Okay, for aliases, we're gonna do a little bit of JavaScript. So we're gonna check if the aliases is an array or is it a string. So if a string, we're not going to do anything. So if an array, and then we're going to use the join function. Okay, so if type of aliases string, and then question mark, and then aliases, and then aliases dot join, and then comma space. Okay, it's pretty simple. Alright, yeah, this should be it. Let me just save it, and then let's just run the server. No dot. Okay, name dear uppercase. It's in the get function. Comma. Okay, my bad. Okay, so we can just try to start it up again. Okay, and then we're gonna go localhost 3001, our default page, and we're gonna go /commands. Let me see where I messed up. Ready. What's going on here? Rest of render commands. Oh, I forgot a slash. My bad. Okay, that scared me for a second. My bad though. Just remember to add a slash in front. Okay, it should work now. Right. As you can see here, it lists the command's name and the description. So let me show you. As you can see here, I have the usage of testing for anti-start off, and then description of this, and aliases of test and banana. As you can see here, if I go to commands, and then if we go, is it disable? Okay, it's off. As you can see here, name anti-start off, name anti-start off, testing is in usage, so usage testing. Description, here's the description, and then the aliases will be test and banana. So if you don't have anything, like you don't have description or you don't have usages, let me just check if the audio is working. Okay, perfect. If you don't have description or usages, it's gonna just show that there's no usage or no description. Of course, you can just add it, and then it will update. Okay. So this is the basic commands page. So now I'm just gonna give it a little bit of styling so it looks a little bit better. It's not gonna be that long. Okay, so let me see how long is this. Okay, we have 20 minutes. We're on 20 minutes. Perfect. Okay, so in the EJS, we're gonna add a style tag right after body. We're gonna add a style. Okay, and then table, border, collapse, if I can spell, and then collapse. Okay, and then border, and then spacing 0, and then a string, box sizing, border box. Okay, and then body, padding 0, margin 0, font family. So you can use any font you want. I'm just going to use Open Sans. Okay, and then some random fonts. Something's going on with my codes. Okay, new. Actually, we just need Open Sans, to be honest. Okay, perfect. And then font size will be 16 pixels. Line height 1.5. Color, okay, we're gonna follow the previous color scheme, which is green, just because my YouTube tutorials avatar is green, so we're just gonna follow it. Just okay. As you can see here, my avatar is green, that's why I'm just gonna follow green. Okay, so dot main content, we're gonna target the section. Word wrap, and then break word. Okay, that's all. And then I'm gonna do this media screen and min width, and then 64 em. Dot main content, max width 64 rem, padding 2 rem, 6 rem, margin 0 auto, font size 1.1 rem. Okay, now we're gonna do for 42M. It's a little boring, but yeah. Screen, let me just copy this. You can just three times 3. Okay, so we just change 64. Oh, actually we're not media screen and min width 42M. And okay, and then main content will be 2 rem and 4 rem. Font size 1.1 rem. And then last one, if it's 42, and then we're gonna do 2 rem, and it's gonna delete this real quick. Adding 2 rem, 1 rem. Font size will be 1 rem. Okay. So yeah. Now we're gonna do for all of the headers. We're gonna make the color green because that's our theme color. H1, comma, main content H2. And then H3, and then we're gonna do it to H6. H5, H6. Okay, so for all of them, we're gonna do margin top 2 rem, margin bottom 1 rem, font weight normal, color will be 159957, green color. Okay, and then now we're gonna target the code. Main content, code, padding 2 pixel, 4 pixel, font family. Consolas. Actually, let me just remove the code. I don't think I'm not gonna use code because I don't think I want to style code. Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna do the main content, table, cache, and also table TB, ATD, padding 0.5, RAM 1 RAM, border. Okay, you can adjust the border of the table. I'm gonna make it white. E9 EBC, perfect. And then now for the avatar. So you can just copy it from the index, the landing page styling. Let me just find it, avatar, just copy this, paste it in commands.ejs. Okay, so let's just save the file and just run the server one more time. Okay, refresh. Okay, so I have made a mistake in the get commands function. So what happened is it gives all of the commands in the same folder, which I don't want. Let me just show you. As you can see here, commands and the curse, there should be only 2 commands, but I have like every single command. So to fix this, it's very simple. I shouldn't put this value out here, I should put it in a directory. So just put it down here above const commands, and then just save it, and then just rerun the server. Just rerun the server, and then if you refresh it, it will follow accordingly. Let me just show you. So you can see here, anti-curse, custom commands, the 3 commands, and then if you open right here, you should see 3 commands. It's according to the name cc create, and then cc create, cc list, and so on. So I hope this video helps you with your Discover website. Of course, this is just a base template to show you how to do this commands thing. Feel free to edit the code however you want. Yeah, if you click this, it's gonna redirect you, and if you click commands, okay, I forgot. We can now do commands right now. Just go to pages, and then landing page.html. Okay, and then find for the button. Okay, in commands, we're gonna do on click, and then location.href equals http localhost 3001, and then commands. Okay, and then I save the file. Let me see if I need to refresh, and then when I click on it, it will bring me to the commands folder, commands website, and if I click on it back, it will just bring me back to the home page. So that should wrap up for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like. If this video hits 50 likes, I might continue a new episode on this Discord website series. So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. If you have encountered any errors, feel free to join the support server. Or you can just come here and just talk with us. I'm sorry for the light mode, I was trolling earlier, but yeah, feel free to join the support server. Other than that, have a nice day. See you again on the next video. Bye. Peace out.